Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 10. Which organization has changed the name of monkeypox disease to mpox? Options: UNESCO, UNICEF, WTO, WHO. So before looking into the answer, why was this name changed and who changed it? Why was this monkeypox renamed? Monkeypox was initially named in 1970, more than 10 years after the virus was discovered. However, monkeypox probably did not originate in monkeys, and not knowledge related to its origins is still unknown. The monkeypox virus is currently found in several other animals also, apart from monkeys, and the name for the disease was given before the WHO published the best practices for naming diseases in 2015. Since the recent outbreak, experts have suggested changing the name of the disease to avoid discrimination and stigma. Who is responsible for naming diseases? The World Health Organization (WHO) is responsible for giving new names to newly discovered diseases and existing diseases. So the answer for the question is option D, WHO. WHO organization has changed the name of monkeypox to mpox. And here is another question for you. Which city's museum restoration project has been conferred with Award of Excellence at UNESCO? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down, and if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali, and also do not forget to check out the community post.